Yeah. So it is giving some errors, but what to do? Everything we have checked. Everything is normal only. Everything it is normal. Check plant assignment to purchasing org. Everything we have checked. We'll do another CR conditions. Quantity where purchase order data partner material check not found in. Okay, what we can do is we'll try to. Okay, we'll do purchase info record. We'll do again once everything. If it is not, we'll go to ME11 again. Okay, we go to ME11. We go to 3100112. This one we do BR25. Okay, we'll do this BR25 consignment. Enter. Supplier is not created for. I don't understand. Is not created. Correct. It is not created. Why will it take 3100 112? 3100 112. Evening batch, right? Teaching sheet data 3100 112 is the supplier. I don't know what is the issue there. BR77. It is there. See, purchase info record BR77. It is there. Why is it not going inside? Well, okay. What we'll do is we'll enter a tax code here. V1, press enter. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. Now let's see if we are able to create a GR. MIGO 4512341998. Press enter. Item okay. Check. Okay. Already processing. I have to delete from that. View 4512341998. Press enter. Item okay. Check. Are who is doing? Guys, somebody is there inside the system. Hello, guys, is somebody is there in the system? Okay, guys, it is working now. We have to enter the tax code there in purchase in where in info record we had to enter the tax code. The error is gone. Can you see? It says document is okay. I will show you once again. ME13. Go here. Press enter. Can you see your tax code? Everybody? Can everybody see the tax code? That is why it was not picking up the price. Got it? Everyone? Hello? Yes? No? Okay.
Yes.
Now what we'll do is document is okay. Now what we'll do? Now we'll check it again. Document is okay. Now we'll post. Okay. 4501231. Consignment. 4501231. 1231, correct? 1231. Okay. Now the GR is posted. Now see what happens here. Where is the stock? Now, when we ordered the stock, it was here, correct? Everybody remembers consignment stock ordered was 100, yes? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll refresh it, okay? We done the GR, now refresh it. Let's see what happens. Okay, wait, once again. We'll go back. We'll click continue. Okay, why is it not moving? The stock is not moving. There is something wrong. Unrestricted use. Again, MMBE. This is the material plan. This is the storage location. Continue. Okay. The stock has not moved. Consignment order stock. Ideally, this stock after GR should move here to our stock as a vendor stock, but it has not moved. So there is something. GR block stock is 100. Consignment order is 100, which should have moved here. 1, 2, 3. Why did it not move? The stock did not move. Okay. You wait 1 second. What we'll do? We'll go back. Go back. We'll create a PO again. ME21 N. Okay. We'll go to 2409 was the purchase requisition. Adopt K item category. Okay. Everything is okay. BR 77. Press enter. Supplier 3122. Okay. No posting rules exist for account. Another error now. Some new error it is giving. Some finance error is there. Okay, guys. I think we will cut this topic right now. I will solve the errors again. Okay, everything was working fine in the afternoon. Some errors have been some things in the system is messed up. Okay, I will solve the errors again. We will continue tomorrow with this topic again. Okay, we will start fresh from consignment. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay, we will do this topic again tomorrow. No worries. So I will
Yeah,
make
okay,
sure
sir.
that I solve the errors tomorrow, and then I will get back to you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Good night. Yeah, one question was there from Abhijit. Abhijit, what was your question?
I was asking that under consignment procurement, will it be considered under consignment procurement or not? That if I have a material, let's say unfinished material, and I want some finished good made from that only, and I have talked to the supplier, and the supplier said, okay, I will make that and that for you. So will this transaction be considered under consignment procurement or blanket procurement?
See, consignment will only be for finished goods which you are using, or it can be for something which you are using for your own use, which you have to use. Let's say the chips are there, you are using it to sell, or you are using some raw materials to use it for your own purpose. Only when you use that stock, it is there. For example, consignment means when the stock is already there. For example, raw material steel, 100
Yeah.
packets of raw material steel is already there in your vendor consignment, okay, at your place. When you use 10 of that, only then you are liable to pay. That is consignment. Now what you are saying is something different. The vendor will make for you the raw material, vendor will make the finished good. That is different, right? It will not come under consignment.
Okay. No, because I was asking that because uh, we will pay only after the vendor will make it for us, no? And we will use it.
No, no, no. It can be a raw material also, right? For production. For example, there are uh, it can be a raw material also for consignment for, let's say,
Okay, okay, okay. Wait, let me give a scenario more clearly that I have a SS310 pipe, all right, that we used to make thermowells. So I have contacted a supplier that okay, I will provide you the material and I want you to make the thermowell for me of these specifications. N- and he agrees on my terms. So we will pay only after that thermowell is used by my company. So will we, this transaction, whole transaction, will come under the consignment procurement or not? This is my question.
so how many of them are you ordering?
So let's suppose I have ordered them for 3 to 4.
No, what is 3 to 4? 3 to 400, 3 to 4,000, what exactly?
No, no, 3 to 4 number, 3 to 4 number because thermowell is used like in number 3, 4, 5, 10. So I
Okay,
have ordered him 10 number, 10
okay,
units.
you have ordered 10 units, and what do you want to do with those
Uh,
10 units? What exactly will you do with those 10 units? When you buy, what will you do exactly with those 10 units?
I will use them in the course of in a course of period that will elongate like say a month or two. But my condition is that I will provide the raw material only. Then only I will, and he needs to make that thermowell from and for me under that specification only.
Okay, so you are saying you will provide the raw materials.
Yes.
Okay, you will.
and I will use the finished good also, but the only thing that he needs to do is to make a finished good from that raw material, and I will pay for that. Or I must refrain it that I will only pay for that making charges only if I use it, and I found that it is okay as per my requirement.
Okay, have you done this in real life also?
Yes.
Okay, so basically he is using your raw material, he is making the finished goods, but then you are not paying to him also, but you will pay him only when you use it.
Yeah, when we use it because I have, as I am saying, thermowell. So thermowell are used to maintain a certain degree of temperature. So if is there any difference in the specification, then it is of no use. So we will only pay when our specification meets what he has made.
Okay, so see, anything that you will pay only when you use is consignment. It will come under
Okay.
consignment. Anything, for example, you say to the vendor that whatever it is, I will pay you only when I use it. You give me 3 units or 100 units. It will come under consignment only. That is it.
Oh,
If you have 100 units, you only pay for 10 units only when you use them. That is straight away consignment.
okay.
That you have to remember. If you have 100 units of anything and you pay only when you use it, it is consignment. You have to understand that. Okay.
Okay.
Got it, Abhijit. But I will check again this
Yeah.
scenario once again. From what I understand, it should be consignment only. but I will check this. I will check this again, and I will check because you are only providing the raw materials. He is just making it. Then he's giving back to you. Then he's agreeing also. These things I don't know. These things I have to check again.
Look, for it's in the it's a real life scenario. So my company deals with steel and iron making. So we need to maintain a certain heat or temperature inside a clean to make a DRI, that is direct reduced iron, from a iron ore. So every clean has a different specification.
Okay, wait.
So
I am giving. Wait, we will type. I am giving the raw materials to the vendor. The vendor makes the finished good from it. Then I will pay the vendor only when I use the items and he agrees to it. Correct? This is what you mean, right?
yes,
Okay, let's see what happens. What process is this in SAP MM? Subcontracting with consignment like payment terms. Okay, so see, there is one more process called subcontracting in this, where you supply the raw materials to the vendor and when he gives you that. So that is here. If you see your topics, if you go down here, you see subcontracting. There is another process. When you give the raw materials, he makes the finished goods
okay,
and he gives it to you. That is a different process. That will not come under consignment. But what you are saying is you only pay when you, so then it is giving us vendor produces, you only pay when you consume the finished good, not standard subcontracting. This resembles consignment. You are mixing the two process. So these two are different process. Either it will be subcontracting or either it will be consignment. So in SAP MM, for subcontracting, you supply raw materials to the vendor. It will be subcontracting process. And vendor finish the finished goods. Subcontracting delivers output to your plant. It is subcontracting. But consignment is when the vendor gives you and you pay only when you use it. So you are using two processes at the same time in your company. And for the same process you are mixing two things. So these things you have to see how they are working in your company. Are you using SAP in your company?
no,
What are you using?
it's a simple Excel.
Correct. In Excel, you can do anything. In SAP, I don't think you will be able to mix these two processes. There is a different process for subcontracting and there is a different process for consignment. In Excel, in real life, you can do anything. You will say, I'll give you the raw materials, you make it, but I will only pay you only if I like it or if I want to use it. So whether the vendor is, it's like exploiting the vendor, right? Because vendor is making it for you and then you also tell him that you are not ready to buy it if it is not according to my specification, right? And vendor agrees to this. That means vendor
Yeah,
is that means vendor is like in a lower position, correct? That he has to make it also and he is willing to not get paid also if the product is not according to your needs. So that that is a different, that is not there in SAP, that process. It is either subcontracting, which is a different process, and either it is consignment, which is a different process. What you are doing is a mix of both. Understood?
okay.
Okay. Once we do consignment and subcontracting, no, you will get the difference and then you will understand how the two process you are mixing in the Excel file and the vendor is agreeing to
No,
it.
so no, so it is a real life scenario. So it might be possible that not only my company, another company was, another company will also use this process. So
Correct, but
it
It is possible. It is, see, if you are using it, that means it is possible, right? If vendor is
Yeah.
it's like you are saying, you are saying to gulab jamun wala, I will give you the raw material to make gulab jamun. You make all the gulab
Yeah.
jamun, 2 kilo gulab jamun.
I will buy a.
I will pay for it only if I like it. This is what you are saying to the vendor, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So see, such it is it is very funny, right? This situation. It's like you are saying that.
No, I am saying that I will pay only the finished good is according to my measurements because I have provided the raw material. So I need to, I will buy all, but my condition is that I will pay only after it is suitable for us, and I have given him the all the measurements. Then it's a my right to only pay only if the goods are okay.
Correct, correct. So that can come under in subcontracting process. You can say you give the raw material. That will, what you are saying, it will come under subcontracting process. And you can add a clause to the subcontracting process that I will give you the raw material, you give me the finished good, and then I will pay you only if you can say this to the customer here in subcontracting. Here, this process.
Oh,
What you are saying, you that is subcontracting process. That will not come under consignment.
oh,
Okay, so when we do subcontracting, no, you will understand that you can speak to the customer, sorry, vendor, and then you can say, you can add a clause that only if it is related with my specification, only then I will buy it. So you can say it here in subcontracting. In consignment, you won't be able to do that. Okay.
oh,
So when we do your raw materials example, no, we will take it, the raw material example for subcontracting processes, and then we will see. Then you can ask me that specific question in this process. Okay.
oh,
All right. Okay, clear for now. Let me solve this error and I will get back to you on this tomorrow. Okay.
oh.
Okay, guys. Good night.